CPS Color is a leading provider of color supply chain solutions worldwide, enjoying leadership in the development of fully automatic in-plant production lines since the mid-90s. Today, a number of companies are successfully using this kind of equipment in many European, American, and Asian countries for various industrial applications. The COROB system, shown here, is giving a new definition to the in-can tinting process concept. This is a high-productivity tinting line, integrated with our automatic mixing station, capable of boosting the in-can tinting capacity, typically 150 to 200 cans a day, up to 650 to 700 per working shift. Its high degree of automation, with several leading-edge color technologies fully integrated in a single solution, increases the overall level of quality delivered as well as working conditions, while virtually eliminating human error. With today's color availability, the market is demanding an increasing number of orders consisting of smaller quantities in many different colors, to be delivered in the shortest time possible, sometimes even the same day. Being able to deliver any number of different colors per day is becoming more and more important to survive the competition. Our modern in-can production lines are breaking the typical limit of 10 to 15 colors per day capacity of the conventional time-consuming batch production processes. The cost of a conventional batch production process, not being proportional to the quantity of finished product made, becomes very inefficient as the batch size gets smaller. In fact, batches smaller than 400 liters are hardly profitable, if not loss-making, not to mention the typical time required, which is usually from 3 to 5 days. As our studies show, with this trend, paint companies can easily, without realizing it, spend 50% of their production time producing just 10% of their volume in an increasing number of non-profitable small batches, leading to financial disaster. These production lines are designed to produce the ever-increasing number of small batches that most markets are getting accustomed to very quickly, efficiently, and at a very low cost. This guarantees the highest level of profitability, even on extremely small batches with the lowest possible finished product stock in a safe and clean working environment.
At present, in our company, 3,500 color batches, water-based paints, are produced in traditional way. Many of them are small batches from 150 to 400 liters. The average lead time is between 3 and 4 days. Through the investment in COROB in-can tinting equipment, we aim to achieve the following objectives: reduce the number of color production batches moving to tinting can, improve the order's service level by reducing the production lead time from 3 days to 1 day or less, and increase efficiency in color production costs. Additional savings are foreseen in headcount reduction, waste and cleaning activities.
On the computer screen, the SCADA system displays the production line layout, showing the stream of cans being produced in real time with all the relevant production data, the status of every single production device on the line, including the physical level of every colorant canister, and the queue of production orders waiting to be processed. Both the PLC control system as well as the SCADA system allow for remote maintenance and diagnosis. Whenever necessary, a COROB certified technician can remotely verify the status of any part and component of the production equipment, ensuring minimal system downtime. Orders can be entered into the system by any software supporting the COROB F-Link protocol, either locally or via network. In this case, the operator is choosing the product and color to be produced for every order on the Akzo Nobel Mix-to-Win software, which is then printing all the labels necessary for the cans to be produced. The order will become active on the SCADA software as soon as the operator has entered the product mixing time and speed and has acknowledged the base type to be used. As soon as the cans containing the bases are loaded on the step conveyor system, a can size recognition system checks that the size of the loaded cans matches the size of the cans required by the production order, warning the operator in the case of a mismatch. Pails with an off-center bunghole are automatically orientated and positioned to allow the two small dispensing heads to administer the 8+8 colorant simultaneously within a diameter of 33 millimeters. After dispensing, a device checks that the operator has properly closed all the cans being produced before entering our newly designed mixing station, which features a faster and more precise robot, as well as sturdier industrial gyro mixers with magnetic handle holders. Automatic can feeding units, lid feeding units, and lid closing equipment can be added at a later stage. This further automation would allow for a system overall productivity increase of 25 to 35%. A few important points to be noted that are common to all our installations and are contributing to our success in any production situation are: productivity. A 400-litre batch of any specific color can be produced in can and made ready for delivery in less than 1 hour from start to finish, without using any packaging equipment and with nothing to be washed or cleaned afterwards. Flexibility. These systems are designed to allow the simultaneous production of cans of different sizes, shapes, and construction, so that every can in the sequence can be of a different product and color. Expandability. A wide range of accessories are available to enhance the productivity and capability of these systems, such as automatic can feeding units, inline barcode scanners, inline high-speed base dispensing units, lid feeding and lid closing units. COROB, the new definition of the in-can production concept.